In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate anything with AI in n8n. We'll start in your personal workspace and create a brand new workflow. Click the orange Create Workflow button, and the editor canvas will open. Think of this canvas as your automation storyboard. Each block you add will represent a step your workflow takes. Next, choose how the workflow should start. On the right, under What triggers this workflow, you'll see options like triggering manually for testing, on an app event, on a schedule, on a webhook call, on a form submission, when executed by another workflow, or on a chat message. If you're just getting started, pick Trigger Manually. That will automatically place your first trigger node on the canvas, which makes testing fast and safe while you build. Now add your AI. Click the plus icon on the canvas, search for OpenAI or any AI node available in your list, and add it. Click into the AI node to configure it. If you're prompted for credentials, create a new credential, paste your OpenAI API key, and save. Keep your key secure and avoid sharing it. You can always delete or rotate it later if needed. Inside the AI node, write clear instructions for the model. For example, you might say, summarize this text and turn it into a short social media post with a call to action. If your trigger sends data, map those incoming fields into the AI input so the model knows what to work with. Now it's time to make the AI do something useful. Click the plus icon again and choose your action app. You can have Gmail send an email, Google Sheets add a row, Slack post a message, Notion create a page, or WhatsApp send a message. Configure that node, set up credentials if required, and map the AI's output into the message, body, or content fields so your automation uses what the AI generated. Connect everything so the flow reads Trigger to AI to Action app. This order is the core pattern for most AI automations. When you're ready, click Execute Workflow. Watch the logs panel at the bottom to see each node run in sequence. Confirm the action happened as expected and adjust prompts or mappings if needed. To spark ideas, you can have AI write emails and let Gmail send them, summarize form submissions and notify teams in Slack, rewrite blog posts and push them to Google Docs, classify leads into Google Sheets, or answer customer messages through WhatsApp. Remember the simple formula. Trigger, then AI decision or generation, then an app action. That's how you automate anything with AI in n8n.